नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ जो कंपनी का Q3 का रिजल्ट के बारे में आप लोगों को डिस्कस कर रहा है। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे अर्बन कंपनी Q3 रिजल्ट को रिपोर्ट लॉसेस ऑफ रेस 21 करोड़ रेवेन्यू अप 33%। Urban Company slipped to a rise 21 crore Q3 losses as the heavy investment in the InstaHelp hurt earnings despite a 33% revenue growth. Core businesses stayed in profitable margin, improved and management expected continued growth while near-term losses perished from the expanding the housekeeping the service. Reported a net loss of Rs 21 crore in December quarter, reversing a profit of Rs 232 crore in the same period last year. As aggressive investment into the new high-frequency housekeeping business wastes on the earning despite the loss, the company delivered decent top-line growth with revenue from operation rising 33% year-on-year to Rs 383 crore. The Gurugram-based home service platform said the December quarter saw healthy and broad-based growth across businesses supported by festive season demand, steady customer retention and expansion across India and international market. Net transaction value rose 36% YoY, excluding the Saudi Arabia to Rs 1,081 crore. At a consolidated level, Urban Company posted an adjusted EBITDA loss of Rs 17 crore during the quarter. This was largely driven by continued investment in InstaHelp, a recently launched housekeeping service vertical which scaled rapidly but remained loss-making. InstaHelp alone reported an adjusted EBITDA loss of Rs 61 crore during the quarter. Excluding InstaHelp, the core business remained profitable, delivering an adjusted EBITDA profit of Rs 44 crore of about 4.2% of the net transaction value. The company India consumer service business, including InstaHelp, continued to show steady improvement. Net transaction value in this segment grew 21% YoY to Rs 78.1 crore, while revenue increases 26% to Rs 265 crore. Improved operating leverage and better category mix helped lift the adjusted EBITDA margin to 5.6% of net transaction value, compared with 4.1% a year earlier. Contribution margin also improved, supported by higher order density and better cost control. Urban companies say new user addition remained strong during the festive quarter, and while repeat usage and the revenue retention stayed stable across core categories such as beauty and wellness, cleanliness and repair. Based on performance over the first 9 months of the financial year, the company expected full year margin in the India consumer service to slightly better than last year.